Dawson Surname, Meaning, and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning was an English and Scottish patronymic surname meaning son of Dawe, from the Middle English personal name Dawe, a pet form of David, as well as a pet form of Rauf or Raw for the name Rauf. Early bearers found in the poll tax of Yorkshire, dated 1379. John Dawson, Robert Dawson, Osborn Dawson, and William Dawson. Noble titles held. There was William Henry Dawson, an Anglo-Irish politician who was created Baron Dawson in 1770 and was elevated to Viscount Carlow in 1776, both in the Peerage of Ireland. Thomas Dawson, Irish landowner and politician, created Viscount Cremorne in the Peerage of Ireland in 1785. John Dawson, Anglo-Irish politician and peer, created Earl of Portarlington in the Peerage of Ireland in 1785. And Richard Dawson, also a politician, created Baron Dartrey in 1847, elevated to Earl of Dartrey in 1866, both in the Peerage of Ireland. Estates and homes. Emo Court, located near the village of Emo in County Laos, Ireland. Dartrey Estate from Ireland as well. Landed gentry. There was Dawson of Langcliffe Hall and of Hornby Castle. We see Langcliffe Hall up top and Hornby Castle at the bottom. More landed gentry. There was Dawson of Edwardstown Hall. We see Edwardstown Hall here. More landed gentry. Dawson of Castle Dawson. And next to it we see one of the family homes. Notables: Anne Dawson, British secret agent in occupied Belgium during the First World War. Charles Rayner Dawson, he was an English champion player of billiards who held the world title in 1899, 1900, 1901, and 1903. Mabel Dawson, born 1887, Scottish artist who painted a wide variety of subjects, including animals and birds, both in watercolor. Henry Dawson, born 1811, British landscape painter. Andrew Dawson, born 1863, Australian politician who was the Premier of Queensland. Early settlers to colonial America. William Dawson of Virginia, 1606. Henry Dawson of Massachusetts, 1641. There was Joan Dawson of Maryland, 1661. All the way through, looks like John Dawson, Pennsylvania, 1697. And Mary Dawson, who came to New England in 1699. Coats of arms. 3 more. 3 more. And lastly, and if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com where we offer genealogy research. Thank you very much.